Now, Charger RT pays homage to the muscle car era by employing rich 1960s Dodge Charger heritage, profile inspired by the 60s, but brought up to date in this rendition. It features an expressive intersecting wedge on the body side. This time, we've reinterpreted the Charger formula with modern cues for modern day needs. Our Dodge Intrepid proved that four doors could be sporty. Charger RT adds functionality to the Sport Coupe profile. The design elements are all Dodge. Powerful rear three-quarter and front views, 20-inch rear and 19-inch front tires, Viper-esque functional hood and side scoops, and central-mounted rear exhaust. Intrepid-style flying buttresses at the rear quarters, which really is a signature of all of the original 60s Charger designs. The interior is inspired by aircraft and competition racing. Large rotary dial and round gauges, a pistol grip shifter, for those of you who remember those, and carbon fiber performance bucket seats. Beyond its performance, appearance,